Looking at the back of this bumper cover, we find the symbol PUR. Find the symbol on the label inside the plastic welder. For PUR, we need to use R01 rod. To keep the damage aligned while performing the repair, use aluminum body tape. Aluminum body tape is stiff and can withstand the heat from the repair process. Because thermoset urethane will not melt, you will need to grind a V-groove along the crack line. Use a rotary tool with a teardrop-shaped cutting pit and grind about halfway through the plastic. Round off any sharp edges. This will help eliminate any stress risers that may compromise the integrity of the repair. Set the temperature of the plastic welder to match the selected rod. While holding the welder's tip off of the surface, melt the rod into the V-groove. Don't overheat the base material. Simply melt the rod onto the surface. The repair on thermoset urethane is not a true fusion weld, but more like a brazing process. The urethane rod should maintain its clear appearance when melting without excessive smoke, discoloration, or bubbling. Allow the repair to cool before you begin working on the opposite side. Peel off the tape that was used to keep the crack aligned. As you did on the opposite side, V-groove along the crack line with a rotary tool. Grind the area surrounding the crack line to expose more plastic and round off any sharp edges to eliminate stress risers. Apply melted rod into the crack and exposed plastic the same way that you did on the opposite side. To reduce the chance of the repair failing, continue applying melted rod all the way around the edge. Even though the repair is not a true fusion weld, it is still a very strong repair.